Unlock the power of personalized marketing by seamlessly connecting your WordPress website with Klaviyo. First, log into your WordPress admin panel, navigate to Plugins on the left-hand menu and select Add New. In the search bar, type Klaviyo and press Enter. You'll see the official Klaviyo integration plugin. Click Install Now. Once installed, click on the Activate button. You'll then see a new Klaviyo menu item appear in your WordPress dashboard. Now, open a new tab and log into your Klaviyo account on the left-hand menu. Go to Account, and then Account Settings. In Account Settings, find the API Key section. You'll see your public API key and your private API key for this integration. We need the private API key. Copy your private API key from Klaviyo, return to your WordPress dashboard, and paste it into the designated API key field on the Klaviyo integration screen. After pasting your key, click the Connect to Klaviyo button. This establishes the link between your website and your email marketing platform. You should now see a success message confirming the connection. Your WordPress site is now integrated with Klaviyo. This allows you to capture leads, track customer behavior on your site, and send targeted email campaigns directly from Klaviyo. You can now build powerful customer segments based on their interactions with your WordPress store, enabling truly personalized marketing. Start creating engaging Signup forms and automated marketing flows to boost your conversions and build stronger customer relationships.